Measure and mark where each of the misting nozzles will be placed. Cut the hose to match each measured mark for the misting nozzles to be placed. Unscrew the coupling and feed the hose through. Screw the coupling back on with the hose attached. On the other end of the cut hose, attach a pass-through misting nozzle. Attach the next part of the cut hose to pass through the misting nozzle to create a longer hose. Once all the cut hoses have been attached, attach the nail U-clips beside each coupling. Align the nail U-clips with the markings and hammer it into the wood. Repeat that step until you get to the last misting nozzle. Measure the distance between the remaining misting nozzle and the post. Attach the long hose to the remaining misting nozzle. Hammer in the nail U-clips and guide the remaining hose down the post. Attach the hose end connector to the cut hose. Hammer in the last nail U-clip. Now screw in the accessory connector. Attach the hose. Turn on the tap a quarter turn, low pressure only.